Hello, how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're happy. Feeling sleepy. It's 6 already, 6 a.m. in the morning. Today is the day I travel for my conference. Just waiting for my auto. So hopefully we'll have a good few days in the conference and I'll try to vlog as much as I can. And yeah, let's try to make it fun and also informative.
Climate change is not something to be, oh, well, it's happening. I think it's something we need to work on, and we have to get a new energy system to supply the energy needed for agriculture to work, in addition, of course, to the solar energy and photosynthesis. The work is not yet finished. In fact, I think it's safer to say it has not even begun. We must make agri-food systems net zero greenhouse gas emissions. With technological change will come social change. And if we forget the equity, we will end up with a world of other problems. And it's better to think about the equity implications first rather than later. But again, VDI, visions, decisions, investments. Without those, we are stuck. Thank you very much.
Hi guys.
Are you okay?
Hi guys.
ये ज़्यादा ही करवा है पर करवा is
Bitter.
I didn't mix it, but it's
too bitter.
tasty.
No, it's not tasty. It's too bitter.
Yes, ma'am.
Like book scholars exhibitions.
हाँ मैम, इसमें कहाँ क्लिक करना होता है मुझे नहीं पता.
No, you don't have to click. It's a video.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
So
We are checking out the outfit.
okay.
Yeah, it's professional. Thank you.
Okay. Today I was supposed to vlog. We are getting good food. I'm eating a lot, and yeah, I was supposed to vlog. So nice, so good, but I forgot. I recorded only the recordings of keynote speakers because I wanted to know or learn more about their topics. So I did that, but vlogging I forgot. So tomorrow is the 4th day. I have my presentation on 15. Tomorrow is 14. Yeah, so tomorrow I'll vlog properly. On 15 is the last day. I don't think I can vlog properly, but I'll show you guys a bit when I do my presentation. And yeah, say some good words then.
Please subscribe the channel and
Okay.
hit the bell icon.
Okay.
Like, share, and comment. How was the breakfast?
How is the breakfast of the conference?
It's pretty good. I am pleased to inform you that I am feeling very grateful here. So thank you so much.
It is not fog, it is smog. SMOG. It's a pollution.
कहानी घर घर
Welcome to Parker House.
Parker House. Please.
खाई में गिरा दी सीमा से बाहर
जो भी है उड़ान नहीं कर पा रही है
पहले लेटर से कोई भी नहीं है हीरो कौन है
सर वो पंटी रिपब्लिक 2 में जो है ना नया सा लड़का एक सैफली के साथ एक दूसरा बंदा है नया सा
शाहरुख खान हां
निश रोना
ये क्या होता है
अरे निश को क्यों रुला दिया
पीके।
तड़पना
पीके ही लाफ एंड
गहराई गहराई गहराई
गहराई
गहराई ओके
तब से पहले भी न्यूज़ में
दीपिका पुरानी है
इससे पहले वाला
काजल
आगे है सरीना प्रियंका आलिया
ऐश्वर्या
अरे वो क्या ऐसे सारे बोल दो
वहीदा रहमान
अनन्या रिसेंट वाली एक्ट्रेस है क्या नाम है मैम
आलिया आमिर आलिया
नरगिस नरगिस हलीम
आलिया आमिर
हानिया में सरीना रहमान
ये मूवी बादशाह
एयर
एक्ट्रेस बादशाह
अनन्या
दीपिका अनन्या
आलिया क्या गवालिया
ए से शुरू होता है नहीं उन लोग ही
तुम
रहते
हीरोइन बता रहे हो
आलिया सारा अली खान और कौन है वो उसकी रेंज की है खुशी कपूर की बहन
वे देखो जानवी
जानवी जानवी
अच्छा
ओके जानवी
जानवी कपूर की मूवी है 2 लेटर की अरे वो है क्या वो धनक क्या था वो
पहला वर्ड का
प्लेन में जो होती है
वो तो सोनम कपूर है हाईजेक वाला
नहीं उसका भी है
वो बंद
वो तो निर्जा है
हाँ वही है नहीं इसमें उसने पायलट का रोल
ठीक फाइटर पायलट वाली अच्छा फर्स्ट फाइटर वुमेन
क्या नाम है आप लोग तक जीके भी खराब है
वही हम कह रहे हैं रुको यार अभी आता है
हम लोग को मूवी पता है हम जल्दी
पता है काट से इसकी भी दे दिया नाम याद नहीं है जोधा अकबर नाम के लिए कुछ जोधा अकबर फर्स्ट लेटर जोधा अकबर सर
वो हीरोइन के नाम पे है ना
हाँ हाँ बता
छी लानत फर्स्ट लेटर
किस बात पे
जीके भी याद पे पहला
लोग क्या
वर्ड
याद होंगे
जानवी है
जे जे ग्रीन जी
से
गुंजन सक्सेना
गुंजन सक्सेना हाँ
Hello, today is the last day and my presentation was from 8:30, so presentation is done. Now I think there's 1 or 2 technical session and then the conference is done. If you can see this, the smoke, the pollution, I don't know what we should do. I think day before yesterday we had a workshop where one student asked like what can we do as an individual, you know, like to contribute for reducing the climate change impacts. So for me, I would say let's do the little things that we can do, you know, like reduce use of plastic, paper, dispose your waste properly, give for recycling whatever you can do, and don't waste water, don't waste food. You might not understand the logic, you know, like what if I use this one piece of plastic, or what if I just throw this cover of chips. It doesn't, you know, like have a big impact, but you know, like let's keep in mind to hello I'm talking about what we can do as an individual to contribute to reducing climate change impacts. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Unshani Darial. Okay, what about my question? What can you do as an individual to reduce the impacts of climate change?
Like many causes for there, like for the greenhouse gases emission. So try to use less vehicles and be a responsible citizen. Like try to burn less fossil fuels so that we can contribute more to the environment.
Okay, thank you so much. What can you do as an individual to contribute in the climate change impact? Reduce, mitigate, whatever you can.
Like I like taking walks, so it's good if we start with a small steps, using less vehicles, like only the time if it's an emergency or we want it. Yeah, everything starts with a small step. So if I can speak a lot of big stuff, but then I know I won't be able to do it, or like, so I'll start with the small steps.
By taking a walk.
Yeah.
Thank you. Our conference is about climate change. So what can you do as an individual to contribute to reduce or mitigate the impacts of climate change?
What I have seen in this conference is what the foreigners have told us. We have to, what kind of problems is we are facing worldwide. And everyone is just hoping that we could find some solutions or better alternatives. So if you are finding some questions, if you are finding some problem, then there must be a solution. Just to keep hope and to find to those particular solutions and a better alternative. Even all of these researchers are no wonder that they would find someday, some point of time, but they are consistently providing those solutions and alternatives. So I'm just being very much blessed to attend this conference here, and this was my second conference, international conference organized by Indian Ecological Society, and I am very much sure that this will provide some kind of better solutions in near future. Thank you.
Thank you. Same question. What is your answer?
Good morning. Thank you so much.
बीच का fill कर लेना हम.
Climate change?
Climate change. Yeah.
Oh, good question.
You are a good guest. लो अब पूछो मैम.
नहीं, इस साइड से लेते कॉलेज ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर
बता दी मैम, सब टाइटल लगाएंगे.
Okay, what can you do as an individual to reduce or mitigate the impact of climate change?
हिंदी में बता दूँ?
हाँ, हिंदी में.
किसी वापस बोलना एक बार.
You can do in Hindi, it's fine.
क्लाइमेट चेंज को मिटिगेट करने के लिए एज इंडिविजुअल क्या
देखो मैं बहुत अच्छा तरीका बताता हूँ ना.
Okay.
क्लाइमेट चेंज का कि जब अपन कोई भी वो लिफाफा लेते हैं जिसमें चिप्स वगैरह खाते हैं,
हाँ.
तो उसको अपन काट के एक छोटा टुकड़ा अलग फेंक देते हैं. वो अपने को अलग नहीं फेंक के उसको उसी के अंदर डाल दे या तो वापस, या फिर अपन उसी को पूरा ना फाड़े, थोड़ा सा उसके अंदर लगा के रखे, सीजर से ढंग से चला ले और उसको वहीं रखे. एज ए इंडिविजुअल अपन ये कर सकते हैं क्योंकि वो छोटा वाला टुकड़ा उठाने में नहीं आता, ना डस्टबिन में जाता है, वो हर जगह गिरा हुआ रहता है,
रिसाइकिल करना.
तो अपन उसको अच्छा कर सकते हैं.
Okay, I want to say something. In PAU canteen, if you go, all the waste is on the table, not in the dustbin. What about that? What can you do as an individual to?
I'm not doing
कि मैं अगर मैं हूँ तो मैं अपना वेस्ट करूँगा, मैं
हाँ
डस्टबिन
वो ये तो फिक्स है. तो मैम डस्टबिन नहीं होगा जेब में डाल के जाऊंगा, बट
Okay.
इधर तो नहीं फेंकूंगा.
Okay, that's good. Thank you.
एडिट करना पड़ेगा.
का हो गया.
हिंदी में पूछ लो.
हाँ, Hindi. I can't ask in Hindi. Okay.
एज एन इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे
मेरे को पूछो, मैं हिंदी ट्रांसलेट कर दूँ.
क्लाइमेट चेंज को मिटिगेट करने के लिए
मीटिंग. हाँ मैम बताओ हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट नहीं बताइए.
What can you do as an individual to reduce or mitigate?
And ma'am,
तू अकेला क्या कर सकता है क्लाइमेट को बचाने के लिए?
in the modern world, urbanization is on the tuning to the highest amount, and we can plant more and more trees. So, and,
No, he's doing it right. We should plant more trees.
इंग्लिश बोलती है कुछ.
as we can't reduce that due to modernization, land
धीरे बोल, धीरे से,
per capita land is increasing day by day. So we can't reduce that. So we can only do that. We can plant more and more trees on our individual basis, so that the climate, what we can say that
The impacts, the negative impacts.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You can ask another question to me.
How do you feel about the
Because we are
conference?
the agriculture graduates and we have that much of professional knowledge, so that we can contribute to the environment. So that's my
ठीक.
thought about this.
Okay, that was good. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm back in my room. I'm a bit in a hurry. I thought I'll ask all of them what they can do as an individual to reduce or mitigate, just contribute in a small way also, like reduce the impacts of climate change. But I don't know if I stay longer. I think I can do that, but I'm leaving today, so I came back. They're still at the program. The program is still going on. It's almost done, but it's still going on. I came in a hurry. I ate a little bit of lunch. I was disappointed with lunch because they give only paneer, like 2 items of paneer. I mean, when it comes to paneer, they never used to consider who don't eat paneer. Some for health reasons, some because they don't like the taste. So at least there should be a vegetable option at least. So that's that. I'm a bit in a hurry. That's why. Because I don't know where the bus stand is. I just need to go and get some random bus to go. That's the thing which worries me here. I didn't vlog much. I didn't vlog in a good way that I intended to do so. But hopefully this conference was good for you too, informative. Let's follow up with the little things that we shared towards the end. And if you have anything in your mind which will be helpful, comment down below. And yeah, I had a good time. I'm gonna go. Had a better time. And then I had another plan also. So let's have a good time. Thank you. If you enjoyed, please do give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, press the bell icon, and also share it with your friends. Today just comment what you can do as an individual, you know, like contributing to this climate change impacts. Maybe just write plastic, paper, water, or anything that you think you can do a little bit about it to help. So that's it. Right. Thank you.